Hello and welcome to SAW Cybersecurity channel. This is Sapti Varsi. I am a certified ethical hacker, offensive certified security professional, and certified information system security professional. Today, I want to give a demo about an OS command injection vulnerability. OS command injection vulnerability is a weakness in input validation for a command or service, which is offered by an application. This vulnerability allows an attacker to run OS commands, and that can potentially lead to a compromise of the system. I have provided a link in the description for further details. In order to perform the proof of concept, I downloaded a vulnerable web application, BWAP, from VulnHub, which is an extremely buggy application designed to perform a number of proof of concepts, including the OS command injection. As you can see that one, it is called BWAP, an extremely buggy web application. It performs a DNS lookup, and you can see what is going to be the output for that one. For example, if I run this, I can see the information about this domain. So now let me try to see how can I use and exploit this command injection. As you can see that I can run DNS lookup command on this page, and this command injection can be exploited to hack this machine. Let me try to run a burp suite to see what is the intercept and what is going to be the request and response for this particular page. So let's run the burp suite. We're running the burp suite right now. And in order to run the burp suite, I need to set up the proxy. And the proxy for this is going to be set up from this menu on the Firefox. Now, let's run this command. And try to browse the site. And I'm here right now. So let's go and send it to a repeater. So this is the command, and here is the output. Now let me run the lookup command on this page. Here you go. Once I run this lookup command, here is the response, and let me send it to repeater, and here we are. So this is the request, and I'm going to send it and see what is the output here. So the response for this request is here, and as you can see here, this is going to provide the information about the output of this NS lookup. So I'm just trying a different command, different domain, and trying to see if I can get the same response. So DNS lookup. There you go. So I can go ahead and check it out. So here is the output for this. Now, as you can see that here we are running a command. Now, in order to exploit this vulnerability, you need to know that in order to add a command, you can add a command by using a semicolon and then run another command. For example, if I want to run the ls command here, let's run the ls command and see if I can get the response. So again, we have to go to the same lookup and see what is the output. Here you go. You can see that I can see the ls, the listing of this. And so let me try to run few other commands. For example, pwd, where we are, present working directory. And let's go there. And here you go, we can see that what. So we are in the var www app. So as you can see that you can run this command and exploit it. Let's try to see if I can run the cat command for etc password. And let's go to the same position. And here you go. You can see the etc password. In order to exploit this vulnerability, let me run a netcat shell command on the victim machine on the port 4444 and try to see if I can get a shell from my Kali Linux machine. Let me run this command. Here you go. And let's try to connect from my Kali Linux. Here you go. I'm connected right now. Host name. The host name is bbox. And let's try to see if I can get a better shell here. Here you go. So you got the prompt. And here you can see that we are connected to this bbox, which is vulnerable. And we can run different command where we are right now. And here we can run all these commands. So you can see that it's easy to use this and exploit this vulnerability on the victim machine, and then it can lead to running some commands as well as a complete compromise of the system. That's why it's better to check the code to make sure there is input validation for these type of codes. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you found this video informational, please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions. Thank you so very much for watching this video.